Today, I'll walk you through how to use Google Sheets templates, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate and customize templates in Google Sheets so you can streamline your data management tasks. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This is the gateway to accessing Google Sheets and its templates, so take a moment to launch it. Now, once your browser is open, look for the Google Apps icon, which typically resembles a grid of dots. Click on it to reveal a menu of Google services. This is where you'll find Google Sheets among other tools. Next, click on Google Sheets. This will take you to the Sheets homepage, where you can create new spreadsheets or access existing ones. It's like opening a blank canvas ready for your data. Once you're on the Google Sheets page, locate the Template Gallery button and click on it to expand the selection of templates available. This feature allows you to choose from a variety of pre-designed templates tailored for different purposes. Think of it as browsing a store for the perfect outfit. Now take a moment to browse through the templates and click on the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a budget tracker, a project planner, or a calendar, there's likely a template designed just for that. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The templates are still accessible. After selecting your desired template, it's time to customize it as needed. You can modify text, change colors, and adjust data fields to suit your specific requirements. Consider this step as personalizing your new outfit to make it truly yours. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, you can share your customized template with others. This is essential if you're collaborating on a project or need feedback from colleagues. Sharing is as easy as clicking the share button and entering the email addresses of your collaborators. Finally, when you're satisfied with your work, click on the Done button to finalize your template. This step ensures that all your changes are saved and ready for use. It's like putting the finishing touches on your masterpiece. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Sheets templates. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.